showing
Come.
that you moved it back into the water.
What's that? Come on. Come on now. Come to mommy. Come.
We quickly prepare
Come.
for a dive.
Where are you going? Ako pupunta sa sleepers ng daddy niya. Hep, hep. No. Raiden. No. Raiden. Raiden, give that to mommy. Come on. Come on, give it to me. Come on. Give it to mommy. Come. Come and get it. Come and get it, anak. Raiden. No, anak, no.
The shark
Come.
slowly approaches.
No, baby, no. It's daddy's sleepers. Come. Follow this. Uy. Raiden.
Its body is white.
Raiden, come here.
It has an exceptionally long snout.
Hey, what are you doing? You're getting Leo? Careful. Your head.
Instead, it's lost part of its
Oops.
skeleton.
Careful.
Yan, ginagamit mo pa?
Come. What? Oh, sleepers naman ni Mami yan. Oh. No, anak. No.
Strange-looking creature
No.
indeed. After months of searching, we meet at last the goblin shark.
Ah! Come and get it.
Behind,
Come and get it, anak.
appendages, now just heavier. It seems this shark is not yet fully grown.
Come and get it. What's that?
The shark measures about
What's that?
120 centimeters long. There's nothing about it
Come,
that seems to justify
come,
the name
come.
of goblin shark.
Come.
Especially the mouth doesn't jut out as we had
Come on.
expected. We continue filming for several hours to observe how it moves.
Come. Ay, hindi na. There you go. What are you doing? Oops, sorry. Nawala na yung bib mo. Oh, nawala na yung bib mo, anak. Come. No, anak. Come here. Come. Here. Go here, anak. Go here. Come here, anak. Come here. Come here. Come here, Raiden. Oh, siya hindi na. Oh, yan na yan. Get it from mommy. There! anak. No, Diyos ko. Wag na. No. Okay, bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye no. Bye-bye. Try na ang baby. Hindi niya kasi makain. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No! Ouch! No. Ay, siya, hindi na. Raiden! Yeah, hindi na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.